The N1 DEEC installed on Honeywell TFE731-2 through -5 Classic Series engines continuously monitors engine parameters and events during engine operation and periodically stores the required information in memory located within the DEEC. At specified intervals, this data must be downloaded and reviewed. The N1 DEEC memory can store takeoff, cruise, and roll-down data for 50 flights. After 40 flights, the ECTM system will notify you that data may be lost if a download is not completed before further engine operation. Honeywell recommends downloading ECTM data approximately every 10 flights or 25 flight hours. We'll show you how to perform a DEEC download using Honeywell's ECTM software. You'll need a laptop computer running the ECTM software and an ECTM kit. The process involves 2 steps. Connect to the DEEC and perform the download. Connect your laptop to the DEEC using the ECTM kit provided by Honeywell. The ECTM kit contains a USB to serial adapter cable, a converter cable, an RS-232 adapter. Make sure that the switch on the adapter is set to DCE, the download cable, and installation CDs. Each cable is labeled with a part number. Check the condition of the cables to make sure all the cables are in good working order. Before using the ECTM kit to connect to the DEEC for the first time, install the drivers for the I/O Gear USB to serial adapter cable using the installation CD provided in the kit. Be sure to reboot the laptop computer after installing the drivers. Connect the download cable to the J2 port or the J2 extension cable connection on the aircraft. Connect the other end of the cable to the RS-422 converter. Connect the RS-422 converter to the 19-pin connector. Connect the 9-pin connector to the I/O Gear adapter cable. Connect the USB cable from the I/O Gear adapter to the computer. Power on the aircraft and turn on the laptop and launch the ECTM software. If you're having trouble establishing a connection with the DEEC, verify that the COM port is set properly. If it's your first time connecting to a DEEC, configure and initialize the DEEC. Refer to Service Information Letter F731-90 or Service Bulletin TFE731-76-3067 or -3065. Click on Download and Clear Data. The default password is download, all lowercase letters. Enter the tail number and aircraft hours and verify the date and time. Leave the engine build data box unchecked and start the download. In the Download Comments window, fill in the requested information. Use the screen to note any discrepancies observed and to make any identifying remarks or comments regarding the download. Select the engine position and you'll get a message saying that the data is unable to be backed up. By default, the ECTM software attempts to back up the download data to the A drive. However, the data is automatically backed up to your hard drive, so select OK to continue. In the Engine Statistics window, verify the engine serial number, part number, and model number. The engine model number entry is case sensitive. Make any changes if you need to, otherwise continue. The download is now complete and you're ready to review the data and forward it to JetCare for analysis. For more details on ECTM, refer to Service Information Letter F731-90, Service Bulletins TFE731-76-3067 or -3065, the Aircraft Maintenance Manual or the Light Maintenance Manual.